Welcome back to another dev log of LogisticCity. And this week I started by fixing a few issues and implementing new features. So I added the ability to block chest slots. So if I unblock the slot, you can see that the inserter is adding items, but if I block it, it stops inserting. But as a player, I can put items anywhere. It's just the machines that can put the. So that's a way for you to limit how many items you have in a chest. Otherwise, you might get something like this, where I had earlier, where your whole chest is filled, and you might not want that. So that was one change I did. Another change is in the checking resources. So if you start running out of resources, the code now is much better. Let me see if I can show you. So if this drops below 1500, you see a message after a while. Yeah, you can see that the seed is running out of vegetables, and you keep seeing that message. But if I add this again, like you see that it will go stop appearing after a while. It should appear more, I think. Yeah, it's not appearing anymore. Even though I'm below the 1500 check, it's not appearing anymore because the resource is going up. That's a change I made. I changed it a bit. So now I store the last 5 values, and then I check if then I create like a slope, and then I check if it's going up or down, and then based on that I show the condition. So even though you might have less than 1500 resources, if it's going up, then I don't show the message anymore. That means you fixed the issue. I did the same thing for road maintenance. So if your road maintenance starts going down, you also get a warning here. Then I also made a small change to merge the inventory slots when you open the inventory. Let me see if I can show that. So if you see that it consumes like the first stack when crafting, and if I open the inventory again, it merged those stacks, and also it crafts that at the last slot, but if I open again, it sorts and moves to the top. This was not happening before. I'm also now drawing the item that's on the inserter. Not sure if I like this change or not. It's kind of cool because you can see now the item, and it, like conveyor, the inserters look ugly, but when we have like the item on top, I kind of like this border. It looks really cool. And if it's on exact mode, I'm also drawing the Z, because even though I showed this information on the top right, it's not easy to see that. So by drawing this letter here, I think that's a bit better. It's still not great, but it's better than what we had. And also I changed the inserter. So if your inserter is like on exact mode, it will insert exactly that amount into the machine. Because right now my conveyor can only carry 6 items, and it's set to max here. It will only put 6 items into the machine. That's an issue I had before. It would like fill up all machines before. Like this one isn't. Yeah, this one is not on exact mode. So if it will start going down now, and it will only add again when it goes below 6. So that was also a change I made this morning. Hey, welcome to a new devlog of LogisticCity, and today I'm working on the entertainment. So that will be a different resource, and it will work differently. So instead of like producing entertainment, you need to put some specific buildings like bars, theaters, stadiums, and they will provide entertainment in 2 routes in range. So right now I was just working on the bar building. It will be this building. It will be the first one you unlock, and it will affect buildings. I think in a 5 or 6 blocks tiles radius. To decide on that. I'm not sure if this is enough. I might have to increase the range a bit, but this will also add some variation to the city, which is great. But I still haven't decided what I wanna do. I also added the sounds to the game. I only have 2 sounds, but you can hear it. but it's better than nothing right now, but I still need to find other sounds. I think these sounds are for Minecraft. It's the wood sound and the stone sound. But yeah, let's continue working on this. Okay, so here you can see me coding the new house tree. I was creating the tile for it and also the item. And now you can see me creating the research that you need. So you reach milestone 10 and then you get this research. Now I'm working on consuming the entertainment. I just did the texture. I used the ChatGPT for that. And now you can see that I can like place the house tree down. Yeah, I was fixing a bug in the road. It was there was a bug in the barcode that was fixed and now it's working. And I had to add, I think, Candy goods and toys, so the menu looks right. You can probably see that. Yeah, that I'm doing that now, and you can see like I stopped working on the bar for a bit. Now I'm working on reaching the next milestone. So when you unlock Housing 3, your goal is to keep satisfaction at 80%. Uh, yeah, I need to check that number. I don't think it's 80% anymore. It's actually less. Mm, how much is this? I think it's 70%. Okay, so I can adjust that. This is 70%, this is 80, this is 90, then it is 100, right? Right, this is correct. Yes, that you can see satisfaction is that mm, it was at 70% because that's the. So when I open the game, it should. Yeah, I just completed the milestone and I just broke something too because my word is. Yeah, I just broke something somehow. Interesting. How is the. Oh, here you can see my mistake. Not sure how it only failed. Oh, because it was in my inventory. Okay, so I completed the milestone. I should have enough resources. Mm, or it should be maybe barely enough. Don't know. I don't think I need more resources to keep just these 5 houses. That was intended. Mm, yeah, I think I don't need more. Okay, so yeah, so you can easily reach the milestone. It's expensive to build comfy houses. It's 32 frames, improved frames, and concrete for now, but I'll probably create reinforced concrete so it uses steel. But yeah, so my goal now is to get satisfaction to 80%, and I also need to increase the population. So it's like I need to get entertainment working, and I'll probably also have to create a few more buildings because I won't have enough items.